Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review the CCBOYSHARDWARE PVC sliding folding doors. The CCBOYSHARDWARE PVC accordion door is a modern, space-saving floating door available in brown, with multiple width options ranging from 30 to 48 inches and heights of 80 or 69 inches. Constructed from soft yet durable polyvinyl chloride or PVC and frosted acrylic panels, the door is environmentally friendly, odorless, and safe for humans and pets. It's lightweight, easy to clean with just a wet wipe, and blends seamlessly into any interior style. The package includes the PVC frosted acrylic door panel, top track, magnetic panel, anchor panel, handle and installation hardware, ensuring you have everything needed for setup. The accordion design allows the door to fold neatly, opening over 90% of the space while taking up minimal room when folded. The top track is made from thick aluminum alloy, and the top wheel is zinc alloy, providing sturdy and durable operation. Frosted acrylic panels allow light to pass through while maintaining privacy, making the door suitable for closets, pantries, laundry areas, bathrooms, or any space where you want a style yet functional divider. Adjustable width ensures a perfect fit for standard doorways or closet openings. For 36, 42, and 48-inch doors, adding the PVC rod is recommended to prevent gaps between the door and the wall. Customers rate this door an average of stars on Amazon. Many praise the stylish appearance, with some noting it resembles real glass. Installation experience are mixed. Some found it straightforward, while others struggle when fitting and adjustments. A few customers reported quality concerns, including stretched panels, missing hardware, or a frame that was slightly too wide. One reviewer noted that one panel arrived cracked, and another reported a used replacement door for leftover screws, describing the overall experience as frustrating. Despite these issues, many users find the door a great value, appreciating its space-saving design and versatility. Customers also highlight excellent customer service, with quick replacements for missing handles and helpful support when needed. One user mentioned that after minor adjustments, such as cutting a top brace piece, the door fit perfectly and worked as intended. Overall, the CCBOYSHARDWARE PVC accordion door offers a practical, modern, and space-efficient solution for interior privacy and room division. It's lightweight, easy to maintain, and suitable for a variety of home spaces, though buyers should be aware of potential minor defects or assembly challenges. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.